we are ready for the show, aren't we? Of course we are! Well, yes, we would love to hear from you. So contact us on our Facebook page, Big Minds KBC TV Kids. I'm your host, Shana. Now, are you ready for the talent show? Well, if you are, say along with me.
Hi, my name is Baraka Gasungu and I'm 10 years old, and from Young Engineers Club I'm going to be building a washing machine.
Hello, my name is Michael Otala. I'm 10 years old. I'm in the Young Engineers Club, and today we're building a washing machine.
Hi, my name is Chania Otala and I'm 6 years old from the Young Engineers Club, and today we're going to be building a washing machine.
To make the washing machine, we're going to need these pieces. We're going to need a motor, a battery, pulleys. We're going to need pulleys for the washing machine, nails, and plates.
To make the washing machine, you would also need the beams. This is beam 2, this is beam 4, this is beam 6, this is beam 8, this is beam 10, this is beam 12, and this is beam 16. And you should also need some rods. This is rod 4, this is rod 6, this is rod 8, and this is rod 10. And of course you would need rod 12.
So at the start of the washing machine, I'm going to use 2 bricks and 2 beam 4s. Just like that. That's step 1. Number 2, we're gonna need 4 beam 4s. Just 3. And you put them like this. Then and then after that we put 2 bricks on top so that it can be covered. Then for number 3, we're going to put another 2 beam 4s on the sides. Yeah. After we're done putting the 2 beam 4s, we're going to put the 4 beam 2s.
After you're done with the number 4, you do the step 5. You take a beam 2 and a beam 4, you insert the beam 2 under the beam 4, and then you connect it right here on the beam 4 at the bottom. And while you're doing that, you also insert another one. Right here to cover it. And you do that with 2 more. Number 5 has the beam 4, the beam 2, a beam 4 again, and the beam 2. And under that you should have another beam 2 and another beam 4. And it repeats the cycle. On the bottom over here there's a beam number 2 and another beam number 2 under here. So it exchanges the sides on one side it's supposed to be the beam 2 on the top, and on one side it's supposed to be the beam 2 on the bottom. Let me show you.
So what we're doing in step 6, we're going to need one beam 4 and one beam 2 to make these. And then then you put the beam 2 at the bottom and the beam 4 on top for these two. Then for this one, you're going to need the same beam 4 and beam 2, but instead you put the beam 2 on top of the beam 4 to make it like this. Then you combine the pieces to make it like a box. Like this.
Why does this keep happening?
To make a box like this. Then now you put a gear 40 on top. To make it like this. So what we're going to need for step number 7, we're going to need a rod 4. We're going to need a bigger pulley and put it in the middle over here. Then we stick this motor onto the plate. And also with this gear 40, we put this gear 40 in the middle over here into this here to make it like this. Then we're going to need a rubber band to connect this smaller pulley to this bigger pulley over here. To make it like this. So basically what has happened, so we have connected the bigger wheel to the motor and we've put a rod 4 into the motor, and then we connected this rubber band to this rubber band to the small pulley to this big pulley. That's what you call belt transmission.
For step number 8, you should need a beam number 6 and a beam number 8. You put the beam number 6 right over the beam number 8, and then for the other one you do the other way around. And you continue doing that until we've done 4 of them. Both the other way, like this. And then you put them on top of the plate number 4s and the plate number and the beam number 4 and the beam number 6 and the beam number 8. You put them over 4 of them, like this. And then you stick them on top of the thing you did of the step number 8, and then you switch it on. Hopefully it works. And then that's how it works. So the final product is this, and it works with belt transmission. Let me show you. Like that.
So you see, we're done, and right now What I love about this machine, it's because it's fun to do with and it's also fun at building it. So this is how it works. There.
What I like about Young Engineers is that they teach us about forces. Because this one is belt energy or belt transmission. And that's the energy that we learned about today. And it's also very fun to build. And I enjoy the Young Engineers Club. It takes me 30 minutes to 1 hour to do one of these.
What I like about Young Engineers is that you get to build whatever you want, and what you imagine in your head you can build, and it's really fun. You get to learn new things, and I've been in the Young Engineers Club for 6 to 7 months.